अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं मोहम्मद खालिद बात कर रहा हूँ। मैं अपने एजुकेशनल चैनल के साथ आप सबकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो ब्रेकिंग द बाउंड्री। ब्रेकिंग द बाउंड्रीज़। ब्रेकिंग द बाउंड्री क्या है? ब्रेकिंग द बाउंड्रीज़ ये है कि अबाउट गोइंग बियॉन्ड द लिमिट। अबाउट गोइंग बियॉन्ड द लिमिट वेदर दे आर मेंटल मेंटल, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, सोशल और क्रिएटिव। मतलब कि आप वो बाउंड्री जैसे कि जिसको भी बियॉन्ड करते, इट इज अबाउट गोइंग बियॉन्ड द लिमिट वेदर दे आर मेंटल लिमिट, organizational limits, social limits, are creative limits. It is not just physical boundary. This is not just physical boundary. It is mostly conceptual, psychological. Let me to break it down clearly. आइए इसको हम ब्रेक करें क्लियरली कि ये होती क्या है। अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द बाउंड्रीज। बाउंड्रीज बाउंड्रीज आर Boundaries are rules, norms, or limits that define what is normal or possible in situation. Boundaries are the rules, norms, or limits that define what is normal and possible, what is normal and possible in a situation. They can be, they can be personal. ये बाउंड्री पर्सनल हो सकती है। पर्सनल पर्सनल से मुराद है कि आवर ओन बिलीफ, fears, habits that limit the growth. Our own belief, fears, habits that limit limit the growth. Number two, professional. Professional basically linked to the job and the organization. Professional. Professional rules, job rules are hierarchy constraints. प्रोफेशनल में क्या है कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल रूल्स, जॉब रूल्स और hierarchy constraints. Number three, social needs, social boundary, cultural expectations or stereotypes. Number four, creative and intellectual, creative and intellectual. Creative and intellectual, accepted accepted ways of thinking, solving problems, and making art. Making art. Creative and intellectual. Creative and intellectual are accepted ways of thinking, solving problems, or making art. Number two, what breaking boundary means. What breaking boundary means. Breaking boundaries about deliberately challenging these limits, and it is about asking. Breaking boundaries is about deliberately challenging these limits, and it is about asking why we why we why cannot this be done differently? Why cannot be done differently? Number two, what assumptions am I accepting that may not be true? What assumption am I accepting that may not be true? Number three, am I limiting myself because of fear and habits? मैं अपने आप को लिमिट कर रहा हूँ। एम आई लिमिटिंग माई सेल्फ, मैं अपने आप को लिमिट कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ फियर एंड हैबिट्स। एक तो मेरी हैबिट हो सकती है या मुझे खौफ आ रहा है। इट इज़ नॉट रेकलेस, ये रेकलेस नहीं होता है। सक्सेसफुल बाउंड्री ब्रेकिंग रिक्वायर इनसाइट। सक्सेसफुल बाउंड्री ब्रेकिंग रिक्वायर इनसाइट, कर्ज एंड क्रिएटिविटी. It is not ra- racket, racketless. It is not reckless. It is not reckless. Successful boundaries breaking requires insight, courage, and creativity. Number three, ways to break the boundaries. Ways to break the boundaries. किस तरीके से बाउंड्री तोड़ी जाती है? Think differently. Number one, think differently. Use outside the box. think differently, use outside the box thinking and reverse assumptions. Think differently, use outside the box thinking uh, and reverse assumptions. Think differently, use outside the box thinking and reverse assumption. Number two, take calculated risk. Take calculated risk. Experiments with new methods. Experiments with new methods, strategies and ideas. Experiments experiments taking calculated risk. Taking calculated risk. Experiments with new methods, strategies and ideas. Number three, challenge norms. Questions, traditions, rules, and status quos. S- Questions, traditions, rules, or status quos. Learn continuously. Learn continuously. Expand your knowledge. Expand your knowledge to choose possibilities beyond the current limits. Learn, learn continuously. Expand your knowledge to see possibility beyond the current limits. Number five, collaborate deliberately. Collaborate deliberately. In, engage with people from different background or expertise. Engage engage with people engage with people from different background or expertise. Why it is better. Breaking the boundaries can lead to innovation. Breaking the boundaries can lead to innovation, new product, new ideas, new processes. Number two, personal growth. Greater confidence, resilience, and awareness. Organizational transformation. Organizational transformation. Better efficiency, culture, and adaptability. Number four, social progress, challenging strategies and creative inclusivity. Social progress, challenging stereotypes and creating inclusive, inclusive, inclusivity, inclusivity. तो प्लीज इसको आप अंडरस्टैंड करें आपके लिए इसको मैं इसकी एक दफा फिर रिपीट कर देता हूँ ब्रेकिंग द बाउंड्री इज breaking the boundary, it is about going beyond the limit where they are where they where they are mental, organization, social and creative. It is not just physical boundaries, it is mostly conceptual, psychological. Let me break it down clearly. आइए हम इसको ब्रेक करते हैं. Number one, understanding 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 boundaries. Boundary की understanding boundaries. Boundaries are rules, norms, limits that define what is normal and possible in situation, and they can be personal. Boundary personal हो सकती है, our own belief, fears, habits that limit growth. Our our own beliefs, fears, habits that limit growth. Number two, professional. Organizational rules, job rules, or hierarchy constraints. Number three, social needs, social prey, cultural expectations and stereotypes. Number four, creative, creative and intellectual, creative or intellectual, accepted ways of thinking, solving problems and making art. Number two, पहले हमने पढ़ा है अंडरस्टैंडिंग बाउंड्रीज. नंबर टू, व्हाट ब्रेकिंग बाउंड्रीज मीन्स. What breaking boundary means. Breaking boundary is about deliberately challenging these limits, and it is about asking why 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 cannot this is done differently, why cannot done differently. Number two, what assumption am I accepting that may not be true, what assumption Am I accepting that may not be true? Number 4, am I limiting myself because of fear and habit? Am I limiting myself because of fear and habit? It is not reckless. It is not reckless. Successful boundary breaking requires insight, courage, and creativity. Successful boundary breaking requires insight, courage, and creativity. Ways to break the boundaries. Ways to break the boundaries. Number 1, think differently. Ways ways to break the boundaries. Number 1, think differently. Outside the box. Use outside the box thinking and reverse assumptions. Think differently. Use outside the box thinking and reverse assumption. Number 2, take a calculated risk. Experiments with the new methods, strategies, and ideas. Experiment with new methods, strategies, and ideas. Number 3, challenge norms. Question traditions, rules, and status quos. Number 4, learn continuously. Expand your knowledge to see possibilities beyond current limit. Number 5, collaborate diversely. Collaborate diversely. Engage with the people from different backgrounds and expertise. Why it matters? ये breaking the down why it is matter. Innovation, new product ideas and processes. Innovation, new product ideas and processes. Number 2, personal growth, create greater confidence, resilience, and awareness. Number 3, organization transformation, better efficiency, culture, adaptability. Number 4, social progress, challenging stereotype and creating inclusivity. Think of it is like turning a fence into the bridge. You you don't destroy the fence recklessly. You transform the limitation into the opportunities to go further. Think of limit turning a fence. Think of its limit turning a fence into a bridge. You don't destroy the fence recklessly. You transform the limitation into the opportunities to go further. प्लीज़ इसको अंडरस्टैंड कीजिएगा और आपके ताउन की मुझे ज़रूरत है। मैं मुख्तलिफ टॉपिक पे आपसे बातचीत कर रहा हूँ। मुझे आपका तावन होगा, आप दूसरों को भी बताएँ ताकि हम अपने इस एजुकेशनल चैनल को नंबर 1 बना सकें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।